Alrighty guys, we have a lot to go over in this video. Stocks are not looking good. Palantir selling off. We have charts to break down. We're going to break down some other stocks later in the video. After, of course, we go over Palantir, which is the focus of this video, guys. We're going to go over the charts, my thoughts, what am I doing. But before we do that, guys, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Go down below, open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000. And fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And guys, listen to this, unbelievable. Fund your account at least $5,000. On top of those 15 stocks, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed, which that part of the promo is limited time. So use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers, take a sip of your coffee. And of course, we have the water as well, guys. Stay hydrated. And now let's dive right into the video. So Power Hour just started about 10 minutes ago. And again, the markets in general are selling off like crazy. The Russell's down, NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, you name it. The VIX is not up as much, nearly as up as much as it was earlier. I'm not sure if you caught it, but the VIX was up almost 20% at one point, and now it's up only 7.5%. The VIX is at about 15 points, up over 1 point right now on the day. And looking at Palantir stock here, guys, this in the pre-market was actually in the mid-high 15s. You guys can see we hit roughly 1570 in the pre-market, and I have a freaking eyelash in my eye. What's going on here, guys? We hit 1570. Where was I in the pre-market? And then we started selling off into open. If I zoom in a little bit, you guys can see. So we were at 1570 in the pre-market at about 7:30 a.m. And then we got all the way down to around where was that? 1540 by the time the markets opened. Then boom, when the markets opened, guys, holy moly, talk about a sell-off here. Palantir got down all the way to 1462 by the time we hit 9:55 a.m. So in the first 25 minutes of trading, guys, Palantir stock dropped around, let's see here, about 5%. We're talking about 80 cents almost. And from the pre-market high, which again was 1570, we dropped pretty much $1 over that, close to 7%. So Palantir took a beating. A lot of stocks earlier today, guys, just flat out took a beating, guys. They got destroyed. So Palantir from that point rallied from 1462. Now we're what? Over 15 bucks per share. So we have rallied a good amount. That's about, let's see, 50 cents. So we're talking a good 50 cents, 3.5%. Now we're, we see a golden cross. We're above the moving averages, or at least above the 180 on the intraday chart here. That's a good sign, but we're not quite yet taking out the lows from yesterday, which is a big spot of resistance right now that the bulls need to break out of. Yesterday, we held pretty much all day. Yeah, all day. We held about 1525, and that's where we kind of peaked at this point. We hit 1520 about 20-30 minutes ago, and we got rejected. Now we're at 1514. Let's see if we can push past that 1525 mark into 1530, 35, 40, 45. Maybe not later today. We only have an hour left of trading. Not even actually 45 minutes, 48 minutes to be exact right now. But maybe tomorrow, maybe at some point next week, we do end up pushing through that, which the bulls need to do. And look at this, guys. If I pull up the 5-day 5-minute here on Palantir stock, let me show you this. We are trading in this channel. Let me actually pull up the channel tool and show you guys this really quickly. So we're trading in this channel right now, which now it's been about a week, a little bit over a week that we've been trading in this. And the fact that we actually held right here in the morning, 1450 to 75, which actually was support at the end of June. The fact that we held that, that's a really good sign overall for the bulls. Now we're getting that rally, and now we're approaching the 5-day 5-minute 180 moving average, which is right around $15.30. Are we going to break out of that to make a move back towards 16? Or are we going to get rejected here and start to dump under this channel? Time will tell. I don't know about you guys, but I'm being very patient here with Palantir. I kind of want to give it some time to see if it gets rejected at 1530, or does it break right through, and maybe we can catch the momentum from there, if that makes any sense. So that's kind of what I'm noticing here on the 5-day 5-minute. Let me show you guys the 10-day chart. Let's see, 10-day chart. Now we're under both moving averages with today's move down 4%. Earlier we were down even more. So yesterday and the past couple of days we were above both moving averages, but now we're under both moving averages on the 30-minute chart here. Let's pull up the 1-hour chart and see what we're looking like. So we fell under both moving averages earlier in the morning, but now we've recovered over the 180. But the fact that we are getting rejected here, guys, and now we're getting selling pressure right at this, the top of this trend line at a lower high, that's not the best sign as of right now, in my personal opinion. Let me show you guys this. It's not the best sign for the bulls in the very short term. Now, long term, is Palantir screwed? No, but at least in my opinion, at least. I don't know about you guys, but in the short term, the fact that we're failing to break 16, that is a problem for the bulls. But let me show you guys this. On the 4-hour chart, we are still technically holding a higher low right here. You guessed it, right, guys? We have lower highs, but at the same time, we have higher lows being made. If I show you guys that trend line that I just drew, we're technically, I know it's not looking so pretty, but we're technically still holding a higher low right here, are we not, compared to what we held, a couple of weeks ago, and the bulls are still trying to fight. Keyword is trying. Are we guaranteed to break out? No, but right now, Palantir has sold off around, let me see, from the recent highs, which we hit a little bit over 17 bucks, right? 17.16. And where did we go down to recently? Earlier today, we hit around 14.60, right? So from 17.16 down to 14.60, that's a drop of 15%. And a couple of weeks ago, not even, about 2 weeks ago, about 10 days ago, we got down to 13.50. So we were actually down over 20% at one point. We were in a bear market very briefly there. But since that point, we've recovered. So let's see, guys. Do we hold this higher low? Do we break out of this wedge? Do we start making the move back towards 16, 17 bucks? Or do we fall through 15 bucks, 14.50, 14 bucks? We break the 180 SMA, which obviously would not be a good sign at all whatsoever for the bulls out there. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And if you want to see any update videos on Palantir or any stock videos out there, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell. You might as well get your free money from Moomoo if you guys have not done that already. Use that link down below, or just simply go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, this is by far the best promo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat. And remember, each of those are valued up to 2,000 bucks. And if you guys want some more money, fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, again, each up to 2,000 bucks. And if you want even more money, guys, this is the best part of the promo. Fund your account at least $5,000. On top of those 15 stocks, you also get another free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. I'm telling you guys, this is by far the best promo. So essentially, guys, if you fund your account at least $5,000, you get 15 stocks, each up to 2,000 bucks, and you get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google. This deal is unmatched, so use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.